So before we begin, just for some proof, I grew my YouTube channel from 0 to 10,000 subscribers in less than a year. Here's the proof, 10,000 subscribers, and I generated more than a million views. Here is the proof, more than a million views, 335 days. Why I'm recording this video is because when I was starting, I had this conversation with my friend when we were hitting the gym. Okay, I was hitting the gym. He was just going to the tram after our university lectures. Yeah, we were just walking, and he told me, Timek, do you really want to start YouTube? Do you really want to make it? Because you see, there are a lot of people more advanced than you in the space you want to get into. Obviously, in my head, back then, thoughts start popping because this guy had 3,000 subscribers. This guy probably knew what he was talking about. He knew more about YouTube than I knew at this time. I was like, yeah, bro, you know what? I think I'm gonna try because there is nothing to lose, basically. And obviously I tried, as you see. But he was just constantly telling me, YouTube is oversaturated, bro. YouTube is oversaturated. You can't make it. And I was like, you know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna make it not oversaturated. Maybe it is oversaturated, but I'm gonna make it seems like it's not. And in today's video, I'm gonna teach you exactly that. So I'm gonna teach you exactly how to make YouTube not oversaturated so you can dominate and you can grow as a modern creator, not as a YouTuber, because at this channel, I'm not teaching you how to become a YouTuber, because YouTuber is basically a guy that is attracting subscribers, he's getting views. Like, fuck that, bro. We want to get rich. So if you are a business owner, a coach, or you just want to get into YouTube, but as a business, no like Mr. Beast or Ryan Trahan, all they care about are views, then subscribe to this channel. Make sure to subscribe to this channel because I'm gonna teach you exactly how to become a modern creator, so a guy that is attracting true fans, not only viewers, and those true fans will set you free. From this channel with 10,000 subscribers, I booked so many calls, I can't even tell you. Let's begin. I promise you that if you will listen to this video until the end, you will get more value out of it than the time you put it in. So basically, how to make YouTube not oversaturated. After this conversation with my friend, I was thinking like, okay, this guy might be right a little bit, what to do? And then I stumbled on this concept called markets. So basically, there are three markets. There is wealth, health, and relationships. And then I thought to myself, okay, I wanted to get into the self-improvement niche, but you see, self-improvement niche is really hitting all of those three markets, because in self-improvement, you can improve in relationships, you can improve in health, and you can improve in wealth. What does it mean? It means that you, like guy that is doing self-improvement, like Hamza Ahmed, maybe you know this guy, he's hitting all of those three markets. And that means he can get more subscribers, but he's not attracting true fans. Obviously, Hamza did because he built a cult, and that's a whole other thing. We are not building a cult here. Obviously, we are building a loyal community, but not a cult. When we don't want to build a cult and we want to have true fans, we need to choose only one market. You know why? Because right now, I'm sitting on this chair and my main desire, my main thing that I want to achieve is wealth. It's only wealth. Because I have great relationship, 4 years, I have great health, I have a lot of energy, I have great performance. And at this moment, I don't need to improve in these areas. But the only thing that is missing for me is wealth. Obviously, I'm not poor, but I want to get wealthy. And if you want to get wealthy, you are not searching for people that are giving you health advice. You are not searching for people that are giving you relationship advice, right? You are searching for people that are giving you only wealth advice, because those guys are seen as an experts. And that's exactly what we need to do. We need to become an expert in something. Even though I started self-improvement, general self-improvement, I niched down to relationships and to school system. I was teaching students how to make it through school. And that's why I got so many views out of the videos that I was talking exactly about that. Most of my viewers are students. That's one of the market, relationships. So yeah, that's it with the market, because choosing a market, it's not making YouTube really not oversaturated, right? That's why you need to take the second step that if you don't take, the first one is obviously useless. And it's choosing which part of the market you want to get into. So when it came to my Polish self-improvement YouTube channel, I chose relationships and school. Relationships can be dating advice, can be marriage advice, health can be weight loss, can be strength training, nutrition, diet, wealth can be finance, investing, real estate, sales, right? All of those things are parts of the markets. But even if you choose a part, let's say you want to get into wealth and you want to get into, let's say, finance. Even if you will choose a finance niche, how many finance YouTubers are there? How many of them are recording 4, 5, 6 years right now? And if you would like to stand out in that part of the market, then it will be hard if you don't do this next third step, that is choosing a niche. And basically, what is a niche is a part of the sub-market. So you can see right here, it's sales, but in sales there are high ticket sales, low ticket sales, there is teaching guide sales, you know what I mean, right? And it's exactly the same with you. Look at me. I chose wealth, content creation, and YouTube. It's not a sub-market, it's niche. And that's exactly what I'm doing. If you want my help with growing your YouTube channel, then click the link that is in the description and DM me so we can schedule a call and talk about how I can help you and if I can help. That's exactly what you need to do. You need to choose a niche, you need to niche down to the specific type of person that will listen to you. And as you can see right here, because I came up with some examples. Basically, all of the pictures that are right here are from the book Expert Secrets by Russell Brunson. I really recommend you that book. Shout out to him. Really, look at this. The core market is health. Sub-market is nutrition and niche is high-fat diets. It's a specific niche. People that want to get into high-fat diets. How many YouTubers they are talking about high-fat diets only? Of course, it's much harder to not get out of ideas, but that's exactly what I'm teaching inside my program, the Modern Creator Formula. You need to choose one market, then one sub-market and one niche. And that's how you make YouTube not oversaturated. But there is one problem left. There is one problem left because you see, you can choose a niche. But when you choose a niche, you need to create an avatar. So exactly the person that you will talk to. And that's exactly what I'm talking about in this video right here. So click it right now if you want to learn more. And remember, viewers and freedom, fans are boom.